Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll unveil the secrets to creating a scrumptious lemon chia pudding that's not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious. Wait, want to burn belly fat naturally? See correct video link in the description below. Let's go! Ingredients and a half cup ground chia seeds measure after grinding optional some 14 oz can of coconut milk, full fat FE after 4 cup fresh lemon juice zest from 2 organic lemons, 1 Tbsp, vanilla extract Tbsp, date paste or 1 Tbsp, date paste or to taste pinch of salt 1/2 Tbsp, lemon extract optional. Place chia seeds in a medium bowl and add the coconut milk. Stir to break up any lumps that form. Add the lemon juice, zest, vanilla, salt, and date paste and mix to combine well. Pour into individual serving dishes, cover and refrigerate until thickened. Overnight is best. Serve this lemon chia pudding topped with fresh organic blueberries, and you have a delicious, healthy dessert. Are you ready to burn belly fat naturally? Watch the secret video link in the video description. The link will be deleted in few days and never up in this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching.